Yeah. Yeah.
Wow, Grandma.
Oh my goodness sakes. Lisa Ann. I gotta walk away from you.
We're gonna hit you. You're on candid camera.
Tell her get out.
Hello.
Hello.
Oh, you got you one. What kind is it?
RCA camera recorder.
What kind is it? You can quit now, dear. Watch this work. Watch this work.
Mom's allegedly working.
If you'd been here a few minutes earlier, you could see Dad on break. He wants to take a break every 15 minutes.
That's a lie.
He's turned into an absolute wimp.
I've been working like a dog.
My animals. This is Fisher. See, she's nice. And this is Boxer.
This was $650.
Boxer, dumbest dog in the world. And that there, that's Samosoik. Okay, great. Talk to you later. Renate!
Probably had to have been inserted
Okay.
in Chicago.
This is my chair that I bought for like $10. This is our stereo system, which is probably the crowning feature of this apartment. It's probably the only thing we have actually of value. Those are the Venetian blinds, and that is the view of 59th Street out there, which you probably can't see very well. This is our couch, which you are sitting on. Now, if you'll come this way, you will see one of the world's largest bathrooms, right here. Yes, you can wash your hands at the same time you're doing your business. Right this way, you will see a patio. Okay, there it is. The grass needs cut, I realize, but the weed eater's a piece of crap. And if you will turn this way, ah yes, the kitchen, where we spend very little of our time. This is the refrigerator. Now, if you'll follow me, up on our left here we have the yellow bookshelf, which I'm going to paint black because it looks kind of sissy right now. And this is the mailbox right here. You will see the mailbox. There's the mail. And there's the upstairs, and that's enough for now. Shut it off. Now!